What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm actually getting sick and tired of saying it, so I need a new intro, and I need everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into this one. We've got an Adidas Tracksuit. This is like a very, very weird color. I don't know how to describe it. Is it aqua? Is it grey? Is it aqua grey? Is it grey aqua? What is it, man? It's just an odd colour, but I love it. So, Superstar Tracksuit. And yes, it has been worn a few times by me. So we've got the Superstar Tracksuit. I'm just going to call this grey, just make it easier. It's a very odd shade of grey. It's got the 3 stripes obviously on the side. Then we've got the Adidas logo, and we've got zip pockets, the most important thing ever. Zip pockets on both sides. If you want to tie it up, you can tie it up. Now at the bottom we've got cuffs. I love the cuffed tracksuits, man. I think they drop so nice, they look good on like different trainers, like Air Force Ones, Air Maxes, and all sorts of other trainers. If I'm honest, they look proper good. Then we've got the Superstar Tracksuit top, same color, that grey, Adidas logo in the white, 3 stripes, standard zip going down the middle, and the zip pockets on both sides. Literally not got much to say about it. I really love the colour, I'll be honest. This is last season's, I believe, last year, or even probably the season before that, I don't even know. But yeah, I definitely do prefer the Adidas Superstar ones over the Nike ones, because just the plain fact that they're cuffed and they have joggers. They're cuffed and they have zips on the pockets. The Nike ones are good, like the loose ones. I don't mind those without the cuffs, but the zips kind of annoy me a lot. And plus, this tracksuit's way cheaper to get. On sale, the Nike one can be roughly the same price, or still a bit more, but you know, this one I prefer, I'll be honest. I've got loads of colours, loads of colours of this tracksuit, and yeah, I don't really have much else to say apart from like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos, and take care, my people.